Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. We've got Charlene Patton back with us from the Kansas Soybean Commission. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Hope you had a fantastic start to the new year. As we go through January, you've got some fantastic new recipes for us.
We do, and it's National Soup Month, and we did bread bowls already. That is a great way to serve all kinds of soups. But today we're making a barley Italian sausage soup, and it is delicious. Can you smell it?
You can. It's a shame we don't have smell-o-vision yet because this smells pretty darn good.
I'm just going to show. I don't know if can we kind of see that?
Yeah, you can kind of see that down
I
there,
have added the Italian sausage and browned that, and then I added onion and celery and mushrooms. We took the Italian sausage out and then added a little bit of vegetable oil because the Italian sausage was very lean. And then we went ahead and browned or kind of sauteed those vegetables, and I added the Italian sausage now back in so that we're ready to go forward. And you're going to add another soy product, and that is our edamame, and you can add that to it. Great. And then we have carrots, and it's about four carrots, about 2 cups that we've cut there. And then we have the seasoning, and this is a seasoning that I found that I really liked. It's a rosemary, actually a rub that gives it just a little salt. And I actually used it on the bread bowls on the outside of those bread bowls. Okay, now you're going to add our liquid, which is 4 cups of beef broth. And we have another ingredient there, and that's 2 cups of water. I'll add that to it. Very good. Now, if I was doing this at home right now, I would let this come to a boil. I'd want to cook all those carrots and the soybeans that are in there. So it's going to be about maybe 10 minutes, but we'll let that come to a boil. And then what we're going to add, and we'll go ahead and do this so that everybody can see how we're doing the recipe, but we have barley there. We're going to add that.
Well, now we have a little less barley. Trying to show it off here.
That's okay. Instant barley, so it doesn't take long to cook. And put that in there. And then this is kale. And kale is very healthy, and we've got 4 cups of torn kale here. And it comes in the store already torn for you. So if you want to cut it into a little bit smaller pieces, you can. And there you have it. You're going to cook that. The kale will cook down. The barley will cook. Can we kind of see that a little bit?
Yeah.
There we go. And bring that back up to a boil and cook that till it's all done. I've got one over here that we made and heated up. We put it in the bread bowl. You could serve it in a soup bowl as well, but that bread bowl really adds to your meal for your family.
Yeah, and you get to eat the bowl.
And you get to eat the bowl, that's right. And as we saw earlier in the month, it was easy to make. The recipe for the bread bowl is on our website. You can go to kansassoybeans.org. You can call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll mail you all the January recipes.
All right, Charlene, thank you so much for stopping by. And, of course, all that information on our website as well, KOAMnewsnow.com. We're back with more right after this.